Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Just wanted to do a review on my Cool Breeze Deco style table fan. It's made out of all metal. Has metal blades, 3-speed oscillating. Got this at Lowe's. They're $45. And it sounds like a lot, but it's worth it. This thing puts out an insane amount of air. That's just medium. It really does sound like a helicopter about to take off. I love it. I'm from the South, so I love that sound. I can't sleep without it. I've been told it was a southern thing, but I'd probably rather have that than air conditioning. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask. Later.